Are you tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks in Excel? Do you wish there was a simpler way to boost your productivity and automate your spreadsheets? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those complex VBA macros and hello to a new era of automation. Imagine being able to streamline your workflow, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Excel Online. Well, you can with Office Scripts, and you can even run those scripts while you sleep. If you want to learn how to do this, then I want to introduce you to the Office Scripts Automate Excel Everywhere course. With this training program, you'll unlock the power of Office Scripts without any prior programming knowledge. The course starts with the fundamentals. It breaks things down into simple, easy to understand lessons. You'll learn how those pieces fit together so you can write your own scripts without needing to rely on copying and pasting or resorting to the script recorder. Through this course, you'll learn how to write reusable scripts to work with any spreadsheet, create simple applications for collecting and managing data, and build self-running automation processes that you don't even need to click a button for. Through this course, you'll have the power to accomplish more in less time. And the best part, with the Office Scripts Automate Excel Everywhere course, you'll unlock a world of possibilities. The course guides you step by step, ensuring that you gain the confidence and skills you need to apply it directly to your work. By enrolling, you'll gain access to over 9 hours of high-quality video lessons, real-world projects to work through, downloadable practice files, exercises, quizzes, and even my cheat sheets and code libraries. If you get stuck, you'll also get support from me. So if you're ready to take your Excel skills to new heights and reclaim your time, don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how to automate your work with Office Scripts.